guys, welcome back to the channel. Alright, so as you see in the title, today I will be cooking the one pot meal. Alright, so there's different variations to it. You have the chicken one pot meal, but today I'm going to do the salmon because like I told most of you guys, I am a pescatarian, but if you just joined my channel, yes, I am a pescatarian. So I will be doing the salmon meal instead. So I'm excited about it. This will be my first time doing this, okay? And I got the idea, well, the recipe from Chef Quiche, but I'm going to tweak it to my liking for a seasoning because I don't have his seasoning, because that's what he suggests, that you use his seasoning for the salmon, but I'm going to season the way I am because a lot of things my son is allergic to, so I kind of have to make sure I don't put anything in here that's not going to be good for him. So let's get started. All right, guys, so we're gonna get started. The meal requires me to dice up some green bell pepper, red bell pepper, half of a yellow onion, some garlic, okay? So we're gonna get started on that. Okay, so as you can see, I am dicing up the green bell pepper, okay? Take this off, but I want that on there. All right, so the green bell peppers is done. Moving on to the red ones, all right? All right, guys, so I'm slicing them. I didn't do my green pepper the correct way. I was just brushing just now. So usually if you slice it, you can get it a little bit more finer, the cuts. So that is what I'm doing. All right. I almost cut my hand just now. That's crazy. All right, let's turn it all together now. And you can kind of go a little bit quicker so it'll be diced. But I am going to cut it down some more. It's kind of like still kind of big and bulky a little bit for my taste, for my liking, let's say. All right, folks, there you have it. It is completely cut down. All right, so let's add it to my little prep bowl or pan, whatever you want to call it. Half a bowl. All right, I'm gonna add that in here. Alrighty. I'm gonna head on to cutting the garlic. Alright, so yeah, I don't look too fancy doing this, but it is what it is. Alrighty, get with this garlic now. Alright, there we go. There we have it. We have our diced onions, diced bell peppers, right? And all diced red bell pepper. Okay, so we have the green, the red bell pepper, and the garlic. But now I'm gonna do the garlic. All right, guys, so we're moving on to now season the salmon. All right, so I already seasoned the back of the salmon, so I'm going to use my regular seasoning. So, you know, my garlic powder, all right, because I have to pan sear this. So, you know, you got to get that rub on there so that it can actually look like it's being seared, okay? That was onion powder, sorry. Now I'm doing the garlic. And some Cajun season. So we'll get that nice little rub. So once I pan sear, it'll be really good to go. Go into some, parsley flakes, whatever. Anything, I use whatever it is so that it can give that sear once I put it in the pot. Because you're just searing it for a little bit and then it's going to cook with the rice. All right. Some sea salt. Good. All right, so let's just pat it in, and we're gonna get to searing it in the pan. All right, guys, I'm gonna get the oil, the olive oil inside of the pan so I can pan sear it. All right, gotta get hot a little bit. All right. This will not be the pan I'm gonna be using for that one pot. I'm just using this to sear the salmon. All right. All right, here we go. I'm gonna do it face down first because I'm gonna need it to be upright for the one pot. All right, so add that in there now. Okay. It's over now. It's seared on that one side, and now I'm doing the other side, and then I'm just gonna add it to the one pot. Hold on. Okay, so let's start adding the onions and peppers and stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and add the green bell pepper. All right, turn this down. Oops. What? Thing was about to fall. All right, guys, we added now the red bell pepper. Okay, so that's everything into the pot. All right. Adding the garlic and the onions. We'll just do it together. I know I sort of had added the garlic last, but I'm not gonna worry about it. I hate that my hand is covering up everything. All right, we're gonna stir everything together. And then I'm gonna start adding my seasoning. Look at this. Some of this bell pepper did not get cut up all the way, but there we go. All right, so I'm gonna add my seasoning. So based on him, I'm gonna also add some chicken bouillon. Well, I would say chicken cube. So we just season this up really good. So I'm just using a half a pack of this, okay? Too much. I don't want to be too much salt. Adding my onion powder. Yep, onion powder. I had to make sure it was onion powder. Garlic. A little bit more salt because I'm not sure. And the recipe calls for some turmeric. Okay, so that's going to be added in here. So I'm going to add the turmeric. I don't know how much, but add that amount. All right, folks, it is at this point I knew I messed up. He didn't give measurements of everything, so let's start. Okay, so usually I wash my rice, but his recipe, he didn't wash the rice, so I don't want to mess it up because you almost got to like little fry it together. So I don't want to mess it up. God, cover me under your blood with the rice. So let's add this rice in, 2 cups of rice. And you stir until the rice, turns color, or until the rice colors, not turn color, but until the rice colors. Let's do it, and then we're gonna add 4 cups of water. Alright, so this might be okay. I might have did it okay. Not sure, but I think I may have. Alright, yeah, so the color, so I'm gonna add the water now. Alright, we added in the 4 cups of water. Okay, that's the 4 cups of water. Stir it up a little bit. And then now we're gonna add the salmon back to, well, not back to it, but to the pot. All right. Let's do this. Add the salmon on top. All right, and then we're going to cover it and let it cook. All right, folks, as the meal is cooking, check out a couple of clips from yesterday. So yesterday, my bestie Lorene, as you guys know, some of you know that she sells Mary Kay. This is not her full-time job, but this is her side hustle, and she really enjoys it. And actually, she's really good at it. She's good with skincare, makeup. That's her lane. and she's staying in it, and she knows how, and she thrives in that area. She can definitely give you some tips on stuff. So check it out. All right.
Thing is like a bunch of
Hey, Lorene. Hello, hello, hello.
howdy.
Hey, hey, hey. Hey, Lou.
Hey, Charlie.
Hi, hi.
How are you?
Charlie.
Yeah.
That always you hear your name.
Keisha.
This is Keisha, sorry.
Nice to meet you.
And this is my cousin Jean.
Oh, Jean is here. Oh, hi, Jean. I haven't seen you in so long. We saw it down.
I know, I see you all the time.
Yeah, on the place, right? Let me give you a hug.
How you doing?
Where's the other half?
Okay, so we are here at the mall, and we're supporting my bestie, Lulu.
Howdy, howdy.
Yes, you guys know Lorene. She's always on the channel. I definitely wanted to support her. She's here the whole entire weekend.
I'm so
Friday,
honored.
Saturday, and Sunday.
Great.
So I brought the crew. All right.
I can't thank her enough.
Yes, there go my auntie right there filling out something. My other aunt Freddie. Freddie, wait to the camera.
I'm sorry.
Freddie, wait to the camera. My cousin Jean. Keisha, of course, you've seen Keisha on the channel already. She said she didn't want to be on it today, but she's getting on it. And Charlize, right?
Yes.
This is my Bessie's, one of her close friends. Yes. And wait, what's her beautiful daughter? Oh my God, you gotta see her daughter. Hold on. And this is Charlize's daughter. She's so pretty. All right, guys. So I never told you what store we're at, supporting my bestie Lorene and her Mary Kay business. We're at the sister shop. The store actually is closing right now, but they're going to be online. I'm going to try my hardest to put their website on my page. But these women are amazing works here. This is Ty.
Hello.
Hey, Ty.
Hello.
And she's a singer. Singer, right?
Singer
and engineer, like an audio engineer. Yes. That's awesome.
Yes.
So hopefully she can help me with my intro.
Oh, we're getting it done. We're getting it done. I'm gonna send you some stuff tonight, like literally.
All
Actually,
right.
what is your email?
Okay. All right, folks, let's check on this one pot mill. Let's see if it is done. Ooh, looks good. All righty. We're going to give it a try. All right, guys. So let's give it a taste. All right, so I didn't put the full salmon in the plate. I'm not gonna eat all that right now. So let's give it a taste here. Okay. It's okay. First time trying it. Wanted to taste it. Let's taste the salmon. I was concerned about the amount of water that the recipe was asking for. Okay. It tastes pretty okay. Now, when I try it again, I'm gonna do it a little bit differently. Might not add as much turmeric. Season a little bit more as far as the rice goes, because once the water get in there, a lot of that season kind of like dissolve and becomes absolutely nothing. But the salmon is delicious. Oh my God. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. So until next time, talk to you later. Toodles. Guys, first of all, I had to hop back on here. This food is actually delicious. Man, you see it's already getting torn up, okay? So I thought, guys, that turmeric was overwhelming. I cannot believe the aftertaste. It was, I'm telling you, I will not use that ever again in my food. I'll stick to my curry, my cumin, and my coriander, okay? That was not good. Sorry. The salmon tastes like butter. All right. I had to come on here and really be honest. I think I was just doing a little taste test for you guys, but come on now. This thing is delicious. All right. Talk to you later. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. Toodles. Until next time.